The virtues of giving Sadaqah in Ramadan. The best charity is in Ramadan. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The best charity is that given in Ramadan." Sunan al-Tirmidhi. Feeding a fasting person. The Prophet said, "Whoever gives food for a fasting person to break his fast, he will have a reward like theirs, without that detracting from their reward in the slightest." Sunan al-Tirmidhi, Ibn Majah. Charity as a shield from hellfire. The Prophet said, "Protect yourselves from the hellfire even with half a date." Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim. Charity extinguishes sins. The Prophet said, "Charity extinguishes sin as water extinguishes fire." Sunan al-Tirmidhi. Increased rewards for good deeds in Ramadan. The Prophet said, "Whoever draws near to Allah by performing a virtuous deed in this month, Ramadan, shall be rewarded like the one who performs an obligatory act at any other time, and whoever performs an obligatory act shall be rewarded 70 times more than at any other time." Sahih Ibn Khuzaymah. Types of Sadaqah in Ramadan. Monetary charity, giving money to the poor or supporting charitable causes. Providing iftar, feeding a fasting person earns the reward of the fast without reducing the reward of the fasting person. Zakat, fulfilling the obligation of zakat in Ramadan increases the reward. Helping others, any act of kindness, like helping a neighbor or supporting a friend, counts as Sadaqah. Hadith on feeding a fasting person. The Prophet said, "Whoever gives food for a fasting person to break his fast, he will have a reward like theirs, without that detracting from their reward in the slightest." Tirmidhi.